Folks, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've made an actual video, but I do hope that you guys all had a wonderful holiday season and a very happy new year. But I just wanted to make an update video about our wedding. We are getting married in April. I've acquired more things. I have a whole pile of things that I've accumulated over the past several months. So this is the wedding pile sitting in my living room. It's been sitting here since the summertime and it has been gradually growing over the last few months with all of the things that we've accumulated piece by piece. In my last wedding video, I showed you guys like my toasting flutes, my cake cutting set, just like some little details that I was able to shop for over the summer. And honestly, once school started back, I was not planning my wedding at all. I was so busy. So first things first, let's talk about the crowning detail of the wedding. When I went to go shop for my wedding dress, we tried on some veils, but they're really expensive. Like they were like upwards of $200, $300. And so for me, I was like, just for some tulle on a comb, I was like, I know I can find cheaper. So I went on Amazon and I bought a cheap wedding veil. Why would a veil cost so much? Like it's just fabric on a little comb. I'll tell you why. Look at this. Look at this little thing that's happening. I guess this is low quality veil making. Thanks, Amazon. But anyway, we're gonna use this as long as it'll stay in the hair. So I actually did buy a veil because again, they were having like an end of the year sale. So it was 30% off, but it's a little bit different. It might have some lace on it. It's not as basic as this one, and it won't do this little number right here. So I do want to show you guys a little bit of my inspiration that I've kind of gathered over the last couple months to give you the vibes, as the Gen Z are saying these days. So think like light brick, bright punchy florals, mismatched vases, kind of like garden party but sophisticated and indoors. I'm not doing anything outdoors. I get cold too easily and that's just not gonna work. Plus I don't want to have to deal with a rain plan. Anyway, so that's my inspiration. So some updates. I have acquired all of my wedding jewelry. Over the past several months, I have gotten my earrings, my bracelet, my wedding ring, and the man for Christmas bought me my wedding necklace. And I'm so excited. I've been like eyeing these pieces online on like Reeds and Zales and all the things, and screenshotting and trying to find the ones that would look best together. If you've seen my past videos, I used to wear lots of silver, but I've kind of switched over to the gold tones. I don't know why. Maybe I want to live in California and be a golden bronze goddess. But I just wanted to show you some of the wedding jewelry that I got. So this is what the man got me for Christmas. This is from Zales, and I have really been into my station necklaces. Like I wear these like choker type necklaces every day. Like I don't even take it off, this one. And before this one I had a silver one. So I like them. I think they look nice. So he got me a white and yellow gold station necklace. That's still a choker length. It's dainty, it's subtle, but I like the mix of the white and the yellow gold. I don't know. I think that, all yellow gold's a little bit harsh on me. I'm kind of pale, so I think that the white gold kind of mellows it out a little bit. But it's got a gold chain and then white gold beads all along it, and it's gonna look so gorgeous. I cannot wait. So all of the jewelry is gonna be kind of a mix of white and yellow gold. So my engagement ring is a white gold, and if you've seen my videos, you might have realized that I kind of look up to Kate Middleton as a fashion icon. So the wedding ring is gonna be just a plain yellow gold band. And I really like the way that they mix the white and yellow gold on the finger with my engagement ring. So the man's band has been much more difficult to acquire. He doesn't know what he wants. I show him options. He tells me what he wants. I find it, I show him a picture, and he says, well, that's not quite it. So his wedding band has been a struggle. So the rest of my wedding jewelry, we have from Reed's these white and yellow gold dangling earrings. They have little diamonds on them and they're gonna be so pretty. I got these from Reed's, and actually the guy who worked there, Jody, recognized me from my videos, and he was super helpful and super nice. So thank you, Jody, for helping me get these. I love them and I'm so excited to wear them. And then I came across this bracelet. It kind of matches. The bracelet is from Zales. I had to have it shortened a little bit. It was kind of long, but it's got that same white and gold twisty with the diamonds on it. So I'm really excited how these will kind of go together. I just feel like everything's gonna look so good all together on the actual wedding day. So Allie, why are you spending all this money on jewelry? I don't know. I like the idea of having something that is worth keeping and passing down. I like the idea of having just my go-to special occasion jewelry that when I put it on, I will be reminded of my wedding. So that was something that was important to me. You know, some brides really love the idea of having lush florals and these huge, gigantic centerpieces. And for me, florals aren't really my thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have some, but they're not gonna be like super duper extravagant or expensive. So I spent my money elsewhere. You know, that's what you do. You do what you want on your wedding day. Okay, let's continue. More details. So I was actually like looking around in the Hobby Lobby, and I was just looking for vases really, but I came across these really cheap table numbers. So I picked these up and they were like 50% off. So for 20 table numbers and like 4 reserved cards, it was $2. And I was like, yes, that's, you know, way less than the ink I would have needed to print something. So I was also in the Dollar Tree and I saw these adorable holographic framed little tiny frames. They're 4 by 4 inches. And I was like, I'm gonna cut down these table numbers and stick them in the frames and have those on my tables and the centerpieces, kind of. Speaking of these frames, I loved them so much. I went ahead and I made like a photo booth instruction frame. So this will sit on the photo booth with my stand from Dollar Tree, like so. Oh my gosh, it's upside down. Like so. So on the photo booth table where we have our guest book that I showed you in my last wedding video, you know, just some instructions, and this is kind of the theme. It's like a bright floral spring theme. And this theme doesn't actually match the invitations. I'll post a picture of the invitations that I'm planning to buy here in the next week or so. But just like bright florals, you know, a mix match of florals, I suppose. The thing about these frames from Dollar Tree is that they are like weird sizes. This one was like 10.5 by 8.5. It wasn't quite 8.5 by 11. So like it's gonna be kind of difficult to make all these signs because I'm gonna have to like crop them when I print them out and center them. So kind of weird. Also, they don't have any glass. Like this is just the paper. There's no glass protection, but they were like $1.25, and I'm really excited because it's so pretty. And again, it's like that mixed metal with the gold little stands. So it's gonna be real cool. All right, the next little detail. So I have actually made a perfume video way long ago, back in like 2019. And one of the perfumes that I showed on that video was called the Clean Skin perfume, and I love that perfume. Bought it years ago. I have very little left, but I only wear it when I have like a special occasion. I just love it so much. It smells like what you think a person would smell like coming out of the shower, but they just smelled really good. Like it just smells like clean skin. So I found the newer version at Sephora, and for months I was waiting for them to have some sort of deal on perfume. I had a gift card for $20. I was waiting on this perfume to be a little bit cheaper so I could buy it. So finally, around Christmas time, Sephora had a sale on their fragrances, and I had my gift card, so I got a nice bottle for super cheap of the Clean. This is the Reserve blend. It's a little bit newer than the old one that I had, but it still smelled really good. What I love about this is it just smells natural, slightly musky, slightly powdery, slightly vanilla-y, slightly fresh, slightly floral. It's just a good mix of everything. So I'm really excited to wear this. I think So after months of watching this perfume and for a sale, the man for Christmas actually bought me some perfume and it smells really good. So for Christmas, he bought me this Victoria's Secret Tease Cream Cloud. I had the pink teas last year he bought me, but this one smells so good. It's like a sparkling scent, but it's powdery and vanilla-y. But I don't know now. Like, he bought me this. He really likes this. I really like this one. It was what I was planning to do, but I like this one too. So I don't know which one I'm gonna wear, but these will be the choices on the actual day. And now to some things that I've thrifted. So on the sweetheart table, I was going around Goodwill and I saw these really pretty like silver bowls. So I'm gonna make some little floral arrangements out of these. It's gonna be super pretty. So I have like one each on each of our sides at the sweetheart table. I got some cheap LED candles from Amazon and like some gold candlesticks from Hobby Lobby. And I thrifted all the little bud vases I could. Okay, so you might call me crazy, but one of the bud vases that I'm planning to use, I found these at Goodwill, I think. They're little test tubes, but I just like how like tall and skinny they are. So I just want to have like a singular flower kind of sticking out of these on the sweetheart table. Is that crazy? Am I crazy? You think people are gonna judge me? I hope not, because I really like this idea. I think it's really cute and I like the look of the vase. So another development is that on the cake table, I want to do a mini champagne tower. I love these photos of, you know, this flash photography and these people pouring champagne into a champagne tower. So I was like, well, how am I gonna not make a mess? Well, guess what, y'all? Dollar Tree has these little plastic but silver looking trays. So I bought this for $1.25. And I'm just gonna make my little champagne. It's gonna be like maybe 10, 12 glasses at most. But I'm really excited to have my little cake table with the champagne tower. We got a neon sign. I'm trying to figure out how to like hang that. I think I wanna buy like a metal arch and do some drapery. Who knows? It's like, everything's like $50. And so you're like, well, I'm already spending all this money anyway. What's another 50 to throw at this one single day? And I know some people are like, that's a bad use of money, but I'm always like, I've dreamed about this day since I was a very young girl, you know. I want to be Kate Middleton. Kate Middleton is my icon, so I want to have a really beautiful, classy, gorgeous wedding. Well, folks, I just wanted to give you some wedding updates, some little items, kind of like the vision, and share it with you. I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be a perfect day. You know, I think for me, it's just gonna be filled with emotion. I have my vision, I have my dream. I'm trying to imagine everything in the space and all the things that I've gotten and how it'll work together. But I'm just really excited to marry my best friend. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and you can follow me on social media. I will link all of that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Allie. Have a good one. Bye.